Welcome to the İlanpa Individual Member Panel. In this training, we will explore the sections located in the left-hand menu and learn what each one is used for. First, we begin with the Referrals and Rewards section, where you can earn points and rewards through the referral system. Share your invitation link through the referral section to invite new users. Track your earned points in points history, redeem your points for gift cards, and view your available codes under My Gift Card Codes. Next is the My Account section, where you can manage your account and profile settings. Customize how your profile appears in My Profile. Update your personal and contact information in Personal Information, and manage your saved addresses in Address Information. You can also securely change your password, request account cancellation, manage blocked accounts, and enable two-factor authentication for additional security. Finally, the Listings section is where you create and manage all of your property listings. Use Create Listing to publish new listings free of charge. Track your active listings in Published Listings, inactive listings in Unpublished Listings, and completed or closed listings in Closed Listings. The Listings Awaiting Approval section contains listings that have been authorized to a real estate office and are currently awaiting approval, while My Listing Requests allows you to monitor the request you have submitted. With the built-in messaging system, you can communicate quickly and securely with users, business partners, and potential clients, all from a single platform. The e-government integration enhances trust and security by streamlining identity verification and official processes. Our AI-powered customer reception system automatically welcomes visitors, analyzes their needs, and guides them to the most relevant solutions. Meanwhile, the AI-powered sales assistant evaluates user behavior, recommends the most suitable listings and services, and helps accelerate your sales process. İlanpa is more than just a listing platform. It is a complete digital ecosystem designed to streamline communication, verification, customer management, and sales operations. Welcome to İlanpa. All of these features are available on our website. Visit İlanpa.com, select Corporate Login, and manage your entire business from your computer, tablet, or mobile device.